flip, kick flip, beautiful SUV. I already watched the outside. I want to show you guys the interior because that's what I'm going to be working on for the rest of my shift. Here we go. Here we go. This is what I'm dealing with today. A little bit of salt. What this is, let's take a look. Is that a multi-grain bar? Didn't leave any for me. 2 grams of sugar. Pedal's a little bit dirty. The floors, the panels aren't too bad. This is actually a lot cleaner than the last one I did. But it's still going to be a task because it's a 7-seater. Here it is. This is the before. We got a mystery substance right there. Don't really want to know what that is. There's the back. The back doesn't look too bad. Here's the floors. A little bit of hair. That's okay. Everyone sheds. In case nobody's watched Star Wars before, that's called the Force.
Luke, I am your father.
That's the Force. Here is the back. Kind of hairy as well, but this is not bad compared to what I normally work on when vehicles come in with hair. Blow up most of this with a Tornador. Let's check under here. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. This is what I currently look like. That's why I can see everything in here from this headlamp. It actually works great. And without this headlamp, I wouldn't be able to see all this stuff in there. We're about to suck that off. I mean, suck it all up. Suck it all up. One of the most frustrating things I do on vehicles is trying to figure out how to put these seats up. Every 7-seater is different. You'd think you just grab this, pull up, and it would flip up, which in most cases does work, but right now I am struggling. I just tried this side. Take a look. Boom. Boom. Goes up. Now look at this side. It's like solving a Rubik's Cube. Boom. Boom. Doesn't go up. So I'm going to be here for a while. I got it. I can continue working now. If only I recorded myself getting frustrated while trying to get that seat up, it would have been entertaining. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Forgot my lunch today, so a lot of the times I vacuum, and throughout the years I learned there's a lot more spots to vacuum than normal, so you always got to make sure to fold this up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll switch the angle in a second and take a look in there because there's always something. Whoa, okay, I got to show you what's in there. So on this side there's a lot of like dirt and stuff, a receipt, and then this side, wait till you guys see it. Subscribe! Now that the vacuuming's all done, I'm about to do the little scrub. Fuck's sakes, bro. Now that the vacuuming's done, I'm gonna do a little scrub and dub. Scrub and dub step. Time to shampoo. Now we're gonna pre-spray the floors, lift all that dirt off. The carpets look a lot better. Get all that salt out. I gotta pre-spray this now because I finished shampooing. I gotta use my phone as well because the dummy forgot to delete all the footage from the last video, so I have no space on the SD card. So I wanna finish this off with Kumco Odor Blaster. and then I'll show you guys the final result of what this SUV looks like after a nice deep clean. Now to do the final walk around to show you guys how far I came. That was weird. I'm gonna start that over. All right, now to show everybody the finished product. Here we go. If you guys remember what this looked like in the beginning of the video, this is all clean. That's just chapstick there. All up here is all wiped. I did the windows, I just didn't get that on camera. So I found that would be pretty boring to watch. All the floors, all shampooed. That looks like dirt, it's just a shadow. Door jambs all cleaned. Panels, the back here. If you guys remember, this was all covered in hair. It also smells really good. Good in here from that odor blaster I used. All of this was also covered in hair back here, if you guys remember. The trunk, all shampooed. All these cracks and crevices all clean. No more dust, dirt, debris in there. And when we pull out the car, we also double check again. So the car is all done. It's almost the end of the day. It's time to clean up. But before I go, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down. We don't really care. Eric? Peace!